Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to upgrade Ollama on Ubuntu operating system. So if I go into this terminal, let's open the terminal, and now if I write there, one second, if I write there Ollama minus minus version, so you can see 18 version that already installed. So this I'm going to update or upgrade. So for this one, we need to use this command cur, and now this command let's paste there. Now press enter. So let's give the password, and this here cleaning of older version, installing the Ollama new version, downloading the Ollama new version, and here you can see the percentage. Okay, so this will take some time to complete this download. Now you can see this here, cleaning up old version and installing, downloading, adding Ollama, user, and this all. So this is any video kind of things. Let's ignore it. Now let's use the clear command. After that, when I write Ollama minus minus version, so you can see it was 18, but now 20 version that install. So this is how we can do here, update or upgrade Ollama on Ubuntu operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.